Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September 29th, 2020, and we're going to be taking the red beets that we planted in this veggie trough here out. Now we're going to try and make this quick because it is raining, so we're holding the umbrella here, and we're going to try and get our harvest here. So not all of these are ready yet. You can see here some of them are. The small ones were letting in, but the bigger ones were taken out. Now normally I'd be doing more close-up shots, but my camera is not waterproof, so trying to get here what I can get for you is look at that thing. It's a big one.
These all plant at the same time, with the same food, and you get different sizes.
So these were fed with Sea Magic, which I'll put a link on in the description for Sea Magic. Sea Magic is an organic plant food made out of seaweed, and we're going to be harvesting some carrots too. Oh, they're nice, and really helps your plants grow faster for you, and it's really great for feeding your vegetables. And this was also fed with bone meal. It had bone meal mixed in with the soil, and we did bone meal has phosphorus in it, which helps your plants to establish nice root systems on them, which is great for your root crop vegetables that happen to break off.
Yeah.
If you go get my little fork thing, that'll take it right out. See our carrots here.
For supper.
Oh, we're having these for supper tonight.
Now if you thin your carrots, they'll get bigger.
And you can check out a video. You can see there's one back there starting to push the top out of the soil. And if you thin your carrots, they will get larger. I did a video on how to thin your carrots, and I have one coming up for how to trim your carrot tops so that you get larger carrots. Oh, they smell delicious.
Yeah.
So we're just getting our root crop vegetables rinsed off here. We like to rinse them off outside, that way then all that dirt's not going down into the sink.
And you put them back in your bin. You just have to freeze them.
Now those are the cosmic purple carrots. And we also had the little short and sweet carrots. So that's why they're a little smaller. But these really clean up nice when you get the dirt off of them, and they're really beautiful colors to them. So you can see here what's left. Now, we didn't take all of these out. They were all planted on the same time, and they're supposed to all be done. But sometimes some are just a little bit slower growing. So we just kind of wait for them to mature for us. And that's one that was transplanted there. It got a lot of extra roots on it, but they're still good to eat. And this is a very large red beet here. This thing just grew and grew, and really has a nice size to it there.
That was actually planted after the other ones. It's weird. Transplant ones is better than the regular ones.
So you can see the harvest here that we got. We got it all rinsed off. We're just going to put it in bags and take it in. Okay, so we're walking out to the garden here to check on the other red beets that we had in the raised beds out here. And Mikey's saying that there's something in the birdhouse there. So I don't know if there's something in there or not. He seems to think it is.
Here, hold this. You don't want it.
So here's our raised. So here's our raised beds over here. One of them. Now we did have to fence these off. The deer decided to start mowing down and pulling out our carrots, and they did a job on our red beets. They were pulling all the little red beets out. So we had no choice but to fence it, because they got in and they were just standing there pulling the red beets out. Our red beets out here, pulled out here.
Yeah, you couldn't even see this. It was so full of foliage. They sure did a job on it. Here's another. Here you got them pulled out yet. Let's see what we can come up with here.
We're gonna
Need enough to make a canner. Now these are planted at the same time the bin was. You can see they're not as big.
So we're trying to get enough red beets to do a canner full here. We're having an awful time trying to find lids and jars. So we're trying to use what we have sparingly and trying to you know, get what we can. Hey sweetie! So you're gonna need dried off. Yeah, so this is one of our other bins here.
Which the deer didn't get into.
And this one here was fenced. We had it fenced off so they didn't get into this one. You can see the beautiful tops on them, and that's what that over there used to look like. It was completely full of red beets, and the tops were all the way across. You couldn't even see down in, and once the deer got in, they just started eating. Deer are very destructive. They can wipe out your entire crop in one night if they choose to.
They're cute, but destructive. These are some of the ideal size anyway.
And I'm going to take some carrots out here to thin our carrots out a little bit more here. They should be much larger than this. They're planted at the same time the other ones were, but these here were planted a little thicker. And you know, different soils, different growing conditions, it can affect how fast your stuff grows for you. Now these are the cosmic purple carrots and the Danver half-long carrots here. But you know what? They still taste good. And they're still going to be good to eat.
Don't buy anything in the store like it.
On a rainy, damp day like today, you think about vegetable soup or a nice roast of some sort or something. Roasted vegetables. So we're gathering up the harvest here. And these are going to get washed off then. And going to make pickled red beets out of them. So you can see all the pretty colors here from the carrots and the red beets. Now the purple carrots are the cosmic purple. The little orange carrots are the short and sweet carrots. And then we have our Detroit red beets there. So I'm going to finish this off. It's a little hard to record and hold the umbrella at the same time. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!